Hi, this is Becca, and thanks again for joining me in my wellness workshop series. Today we're talking about diffusing. Now, diffusing takes advantage of aromatherapy, and aromatherapy is kind of essential oil's claim to fame. That was sort of the first thing I ever heard of it for. There are literally thousands, if not an infinite number, of possible things to put in a diffuser for aromatherapy. It all depends on your needs, what you're going for. Are you going for stress relief? Are you going for help with sleep? Are you going for immune support? Are you going for, an uplifting or energizing? Depending on your goals, you're going to use different essential oils. Now today I'm going to do a combination of Stress Away and lavender. I had to back up the camera today so you could see the beautiful diffuser I have here. These oils, again, both come in the premium starter kit and are really awesome at, stress away. They're very relaxing, they're very soothing, and lavender is incredibly calming. This would be a great combination to diffuse maybe during dinner, maybe during homework time, even bedtime. So they're nice and relaxing, but without being sedating, so you can use them for more of just a calming atmosphere. They smell beautiful together. Stress Away has citrus and woodsy scents to it, so pairing that with a floral scent goes really nicely. So the diffuser I'm going to use today is probably my favorite diffuser. This is the newest diffuser from Young Living. This is the Desert Mist diffuser. Now I like it for a lot of reasons. You can see down here, it has two buttons on it. One is for power, so you push it one time and it comes on high. You push it a second time, it comes on low. You push it a third time, it comes on intermittently. Now, high runs for about 5 hours, low runs for about 8 hours, and the intermittent setting is on high, and it runs about 10 hours. So it's really versatile in that way. The other button here is for the light settings. Now, you can push the button one time, and a bright light will come on. This actually has 11 different light settings, and after I fill it up, I'm going to show you a few of them because it's really cool. And you can see it has this great texture on it. It's sort of almost like a Moroccan looking thing. I think it's really beautiful, and I keep this out in my kitchen in our sort of open concept house, so I get good coverage out of it, and it's really pretty. So you take the lid. This is just a lid. You take this off, then you take this part off. This is the important part that makes it come out the little hole. Now inside we have our little plate down at the bottom. That's the ultrasonic plate that disperses the oils into the air. You want to make sure that that's clean. Clean it gently with a Q-tip with some alcohol. Rubbing alcohol will take off any residue left from the oils in here. So there's a fill line. I'm not sure if it can be seen from here. There is a fill line. You just fill it to the line, or less, a little less if you want. Put your oils in, replace the caps, and turn it on. It's very easy to use. This one plugs in on the bottom, so I like to fill it when it's already plugged in, so I don't have to try and plug it in down on the bottom. I have water, and this is just tap water. This diffuser does fine with tap water. Doesn't quite fill it up, but that's okay for demonstration purposes. Now, since Stress Away is a blend, I tend to go a little heavier on the blends when I pair it with a single because I feel like the oils in here are already kind of diluted since they're mixed up with other oils. Now, Stress Away has copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender in it already. So adding a complementary oil is a really good way to go. And since lavender's already in here, it's going to pair nicely together. So because my Desert Mist is a little bigger, and this is not even all the way full, I'm going to do about 4 drops of this Stress Away, and I'm going to do 2 drops of the lavender. Then all you have to do is replace the cover one. This has a notch in it right here, so you have to find the right spot for it to go. Place this cover, and like I said, just push the button and turn it on. You see light setting 1, you get a nice glow, bright glow. This is the bright white light. Then you can push it again, push the light button, and it dims it a little bit. Didn't look like it changed on the video very much. Next, we have a candlelight. See if I move it over here, you can see the difference a little better. That's the candlelight, and then it does a rainbow. Move it back here. There we go. And you can see a little bit, it's changing colors. My kids really like the rainbow. It'll cycle through the whole rainbow. Or you can choose, which, that's the 11 different settings. You just push the button again, and you can pick a color for it to stay on. Green. So like I said before, there may be an infinite number of combinations you can put in your diffuser, but the mist, it's cool mist coming out the top. And that's where the oil gets dispersed. I can smell it already. Sort of like a humidifier. And it's just going to put that beautiful essential oils out into the room for everyone to enjoy. I like to diffuse during dinner a lot because we're all kind of in the same place. We're all sitting at the table right near the diffuser, and everybody gets the benefits of whatever we put in there. We use stuff like Stress Away a lot at dinner. But that's really all there is to it. Diffusing is a really easy way to take advantage of your essential oils, and the diffuser is part of the premium starter kit. You get 4 to choose from, so there's something for everybody. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope you've enjoyed the Wellness Workshop series. Be sure to check out the other videos.